Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this small can as well as some clothespins I got from Dollar Tree. The can is 7.5 ounces. I painted the outside of it with Italian sage acrylic paint, and that's by Folkart. I just gave it one quick coat. It will be covered, but you might be able to see some gaps through the clothespins, so I painted it with just that one coat. I take the clothespins and separate them, removing those metal pieces from them. I then am taking the clothespins and hot gluing them to the outside of the can. I get one lined up first how I want it, and then just add some hot glue next to it onto the can and place down the other clothespin. And I'm getting them flush with the bottom, so there'll be a tiny bit of the can showing on the top. Once I get to the end, the last clothespin is a little snug, so I do take the last two and sand down the sides of them just a little bit, and then they fit in there nicely. So I just add the last of the hot glue and place in those two clothespins. I then paint the outside with the same Italian sage paint. I use a craft sponge for most of it, and then the small gaps in between them and that little area where the pin was, I use a small paintbrush to get into those spaces. In that, I give 2 coats. Once that's dry, I take some twine and I wrap it around that indentation. And I pull it nice and tight and then add a tiny bit of hot glue. Take a piece of baby's breath and place that on where I had added the glue, and then do a couple of knots and cut off the excess twine, leaving the tails just about the length of the can. Last thing I do is just cut down the rest of that baby's breath from the pick, and that's from Walmart, and place it inside. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.